Hello everyone, this is the tutorial on how I made the tube caging for this beautiful funnel corset.
Hello everyone, so I'll be showing you how I'll be caging my bustier for the funnel corset. So
yeah, this is my bustier. So I used a soft wording for the inside of the bustier, a very soft wording.
I'll be using this boning. This boning is actually the smallest boning. It's like quarter of an inch. You can see quarter of an inch of the boning, not half. We have different types of boning, but this one is like one of the smallest size of boning we have. And the reason I'm using this boning is because it is small, so it is slimmer, so it will be flexible. I'll first make the borders of my boning casing. So I'll just go like this. I'll have a bone that goes like this. I'll actually leave like an half-inch space from the down part because I'll be closing that up. Then from here, I'll be marking my under boning. Since it's a sweetheart neckline, I would come down 0.5 inch, half an inch from the neckline, because it's very important. Because when you be turning it, so you won't sew on the boning. So you see the way it is now. Then I'll be having a boning here on this bust point. I'll be having another boning here on this bust point. Then I'll be having two boning at the middle, one boning here. Just ensure that your boning is not straight, it's curved. I'll be having one here too. It looks like an M shape. It's about targeting the vital spots. Ensure that your lines are not straight, they are curved. And one boning here, so you can see how it is. I'll be using markers to highlight the line so you can see it clearly. So what I initially said is that I'll be coming by, I'll first make my border lines. I'll leave half inch for sewing at the under part. Then for the neckline, I'll go in by like this. Ensure I leave space for turning of the neckline. Then I'll make just two lines at the midpoint at this breast point area. This side at the side. Then I'll be having a straight line that will be going past the breast point. I'll go ahead to sew it. I'll show you how it looks like.
I added an extra line at the middle of my caging, so this is how it turned out to be. You can see how it has formed the structure.
One thing about bust caging you need to know is that your bustier must be perfect, because it is your bustier that's going to mold your bust caging. If your bustier is not perfect, if you do your bust caging, it's going to just be flat, it won't make sense. So your bustier must be perfect. Then this is my line, it is not straight like this, it is curved. This is on the bust point curved, this one too is curved. So basically all the lines here, there's nothing that's straight, everything is curved. And I first make the borders. I made this like this. I made the borders here, made this line, made the center line which passes through the bust points. You can see that the bust point there's depth there. Then I made this line, made this line. So everything is just curved, and this is what came out. You can see it's standing on its own. This is the front piece that I'll be placing on it. So you can either decide to flesh it. You can flesh it with fiber, or you can flesh it with wording. You can see how it's standing on its own. Like, see how it's standing on its own with no support. The cage is caging. Let me hear you say the cage is caging. I'm glad it actually turned out well, because this is actually my first time trying out caging, and will I be doing it again? Definitely, I'll definitely be doing caging again. Yeah, so this is how the inside is looking. This is the reason why people flesh it. You could literally feel the bones inside, but I think if I flesh it, at least it will feel soft and it won't be like boning on top. So I've gone ahead to add the hemming gum on the fabric. You can see I've placed the hemming gum. So I'll be placing my wording on the bustier, then I'll be taking it to the iron to iron it before I put in my main fabric on it.
Yeah, I've ironed the wording on it.
So now I've done the bust caging. I just used wadding. Then this is how it's looking. You can see it's standing on its own. It's standing on its own. I just used a layer of wadding. You can use more than a layer. See the inside, how smooth the inside is. You can see. So this is nice. You can see it's standing on its own. You can see how beautiful it is. So I'll go ahead and hem the down part, then attach it to my phone corset.
This is how the tube caging in the phonic corset came out to be.